Now that you shampooed your hair, let's not forget to take care of your wig. So step 4 is all about restoring your wig with GhostBond's clarifying shampoo. Clarifying shampoo goes the extra mile. It is designed to remove every bit of buildup, hairspray, or styling products while restoring your wig's softness and shine. It's gentle on the lace and polyurethane bases, so you can trust it cleans without causing any damage. Apply a small amount of shampoo directly to your wig, especially the base. Work it into a lather and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. This is going to help remove the buildup of any hairspray or styling products. Massage it through the hair and wig base to ensure every strand is clean. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Finally, pat the base dry with a towel and let it air dry or use a cool blow dryer. This shampoo restores your wig's softness and shine, leaving it looking and feeling brand new.